Hello.
Hello.
Have you seen anything interesting?
Yes, I have seen the Pomeranian square for the first time in my life,
Okay.
and I have seen many other birds, seabirds.
Okay.
Nur, the Gavia stellata and Gavia arctica in Latin names, and Clangula hymal, Lodufka, many here in the sunshine, and also Edredon also, and what about Melanita fusca? Uchla,
Oh.
many uchla.
Many.
Yes, and also Larus kakinans in Polish. One mewa piawokowa with yellow Schulze Obronska,
Okay.
yellow ring from Litva,
Ah.
from Lithuania,
Okay.
flying over the ship and asking for food. And what more we have seen? Ah, yes, Alkatorda in Polish. Alka, some of them.
Okay.
And Norsik also, Norsik.
Okay.
And Mewa, Mala, Mawa, Mewa, Mawa. Small call, little call. And more, what more? And that's all, I think, more or less. Yeah.
Seal.
Yeah, one seal close to near the island of Vistulamaut.
Oh.
So altogether it has been a nice trip, without rain and without snow.
Okay.
Yes, I like this trip was very interesting for me.
Thank you.
Not at all.